Hello, everyone. We are well into April 2020, and March has been very turbulent. March has been very adventurous, also, I would say, and it has given us a lot of food for thought. Now that we are in April 2020, what is the overview now? The full moon will occur on April 8th. Also, during that night, the supermoon phenomena will appear when the moon seems bigger and shinier than usual. The full moon is here to let us know that for everything we want to accomplish, we need to make the necessary effort. And that's what we have been already told by the universe March onwards. Now, this is about the practical side of our plans, dreams, and ideals. Wednesday, April 22nd, will take place the Lyrids meteor shower. Now, the phenomena appears when Earth passes through the tail of a comet. The new moon occurring on April 23rd tells us that the zodiac signs need to be more diplomatic, to welcome, and to talk the language of the others, not to wait to be understood. And they can discover where they are going wrong. This is a good month for a change of look, for re-strategizing yourself, since introspection is being done since the past 1 month. Now is the time to execute all the plans that you feel are going to be healthy for your mind, body, and soul. In regard to Taurus, well, privacy seems to be very important for you this month, but you also desire to put your best front forward. Sudden changes connected to your work area could be present, and these changes will not make you very happy. Adaptation should be the key to the situation, as changes are very hard for you to take. You should be prepared mentally to receive a learning experience in this area. Worries in your marriage and partnership area could be bothersome to you, but a friendly interchange of thoughts and open line of communications with a friend and each other could be helpful in putting your mind at ease. The exit of Saturn from your sign brings in many positive changes in your life. Health will improve, finances will be regulated, and career changes are predicted. You will make long term friends. On the 20th, the planetary strength will change from the northern half of your horoscope to the southern sector. Thus, psychological matters along with domestic affairs will take over from professional issues. However, career and outward growth will still be essential in your life. It is time for autonomy and poise. Planets are concentrated in the eastern half of the chart. You can have things your way and self rule over others. There is no need for collaboration or compromise. However, Taurus personality has to have the support of others to achieve the growth. In regards to the love and relationship, the compatibility will be tempestuous this month. You tend to ignore marital harmony due to your occupation with your career concerns. Mercury will be helpful for communications with your spouse. It is time you focus on marriage with more romance and passion. Singles should go out of the way to get into love relationships. You have to forget about your finances and focus on love. Partners you meet may be sparkling and eccentric, and it is up to the Taurus zodiac sign to be flexible. Now, this will help you to forge new love relationships. You could also be relating to different elements from what your sun sign or zodiac sign element is. In regards to the family, April energies do not augur well for family welfare. The interference of outsiders may create disturbances in the family. There will be unpleasantness in the family due to conflicts between members. Children will be seriously impacted by the unhappy turn of events. It's up to you to bring a sense of happiness in the family environment. Now, regards to health, it foretells sound health during the entire month. The entry of Sun and the exit of Saturn from your sign will improve your well-being and physical energy enormously. Good health will make you more lively and optimistic. Do not overexert yourself and give importance to consuming healthy food. In regards to the career, for career, April advises constructive changes on the professional front. The emphasis will be on business in foreign countries. You will be assigned to establish and improve business abroad. This will make you learn foreign languages to improve your communication skills. In regards to finance, it indicates changes in your financial strategies. So far, money flow was excellent and you had a tendency to overspend. However, the influence of Saturn will be felt on your finances. You will need to be more careful about spending and you need to pay off your loans with the excess money. Good financial intelligence will definitely help you to manage your finances better. In regards to education, for the Taurus star sign, it predicts good times to enhance education and learning. The month is promising for people engaged in learning crafts and trades. Technical students and those taking competitive examinations will do well. However, you have to be sincere and work hard. In regards to the travel, well, April 2020 is not promising for travel other than business. There will be many inland and foreign trips. They may not be profitable or enjoyable. You should postpone your travel plans to a better and more favorable dates. After having explained to you all that what are the planets advising for us to do in the month of April, and seeing the circumstances of how the past month has been, or how are we to be better prepare ourselves for the future, I would say it's very important for each one of us to actually get into our own personal diaries where we can monitor ourselves and also write down what are the things that we need to negate in our life, what are the things that we need to build in our lives, or what are the new things we would like. How would I like to see myself in the next couple of months? And actually, I have in my diaries of or self-awareness booklets that I have actually published, self-awareness 2020 for each zodiac, are going to be very, very helpful to you all in this coming months. In fact, they should have been purchased in January. For those of you all who haven't purchased, if you'll actually purchase it now also or download it from the Amazon.com, you all will realize that this maintaining this diary of yours, your own personal diaries, is going to not only invigorate you, but also it's going to help you be self-motivated in planning your own life. And of course, after knowing that what is the advices given to you for the month of April 2020, if you want to know and plan it date-wise, and if you want to know that what are your lucky dates, what are your career dates, or your financial dates, or your money days, or your honey days, and what can be your most stressful days of the month also, it's important that you get into my website and look into it. And don't forget to make your natal charts, because now is the time to actually know yourself. This is a time of self-awareness.